upcoming Zebec Network move, ZBCN token. We're going to be taking a look into the charts here and what it tells me about this market and the next upcoming moves that could happen. Of course, a lot of this is going to depend on what happens with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin right now, in my opinion, looks very bullish, which is the main driver of this crypto market. When it looks bullish, that's going to be good for the altcoins. Okay. Now, I talked about ZBCN here, which I am long on right now. I am still long on this coin, and I have been at the price level about 0.43 cents. Okay. I am trading leverage on this coin right now, and I am looking to take a short-term profit. Okay. I am also long on quite a bit of the other altcoins, and it also includes Bitcoin. So my opinion on this market right now is very bullish because of what Bitcoin just did, which is breaking above its all-time highs. I think we have an official start to the bull cycle here, but I will not forget to be taking profits along the way because bull cycles will come to a close. If you guys don't believe me, just take a look into the monthly time frames for Bitcoin, for the altcoins that have monthly time frame data going back to 2020, 2021. So this is basically what I'm looking at for Zebec Network. Nothing has really changed too much, except that it has actually broken out of this falling wedge pattern I told you guys about last week. Okay? Price target adjusted for this actual breakout point, ZBCN here, is going to be about 0.57 cents price target. Price targets are estimates only. There could be more, there could be less. Depends on the markets, right? I do think that it is very likely that Zebec Network actually breaks through this price target. But if it actually gets there, and if it consolidates, I would chart the consolidation pattern and see what it tells me. If there's going to be more likelihood of that it's going to continue upwards from there, or will it actually be pulling back from there? Okay, there's all types of scenarios. Okay, especially during these breakouts. Okay, I've seen breakouts. I've seen breakouts that fail and just dumps harder. I've seen breakouts that are fake outs. Quite a bit of scenarios to be paying attention to. So I would risk manage effectively. Okay, so I don't over leverage in certain times. So this is basically what I'm seeing for Zebec Network. Zebec Network is trying to reclaim the daily 21 SMA, currently about 0.34 cents. The blue line here as support on this time frame. Daily 50 SMA, it's going to be the next key resistance here on this time frame. Okay, about 0.42 cents price level there, the white line. Now, what's also important about how Zebec Network is looking right now is because if you guys actually take a look here, I mentioned this cup and handle pattern quite some time ago, okay, which is usually a bullish pattern, and it broke out of it to the upside. Price target for this cup and handle pattern was about 0.38 cents. ZBCN went way above that, okay, and came all the way back down to retest that resistance that it broke out of for that cup and handle pattern, as you guys can see, almost perfectly. And of course, it's on the weekly 21 SMA as support as well. So this is basically what I'm looking at for ZBCN so far. Let's see if it actually reaches that price target and keeps going. If you guys want to continue seeing more of this coin, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, letting me know you guys want to see more of this coin or any other coins in the markets. I'll bring you guys an update. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.